Now, we will talk about Google Chrome Tricks 2021 for smarter Chrome sharing. These 3 Google Chrome tricks that I will be showing you are lesser known to others, but quite useful when you share information from a web page. Coming up next on J-Code. With this special setting enabled, though, you'll see a new screenshot option right within the standard Chrome sharing interface, where you can crop, put some text, or use the ink annotation immediately. To enable the smarter screenshot editor, just follow how I do it for you. And you can share it right away with your friends. Enabling auto-generated link to text on your Chrome browser, you don't just share text, but the link is also included. Unlike when copy-pasting from a website, they still have doubts as to whether it is true or not. It is better to share with a reference, right? And when someone opens that generated text in the Google Chrome browser, they will be taken that exact part of the page with the text highlighted in yellow for emphasis. To enable the auto-generated link to text option, I will show you how.
Stay focused, try not to fall over.
The last trick I will show you is how to convert a web page to PDF file. There are reasons why you might want to convert a web page to a PDF file. One reason is, if you are reading a website that contains a lot of texts and graphics and want to save it for later reading, saving it as a PDF file is a good way to save websites for offline viewing. To save a web page as a PDF in Chrome, just follow how I do it. You can select a paper size, change the orientation and color. You can rename the file and save it to your internal or secure digital card storage.